Silk cloth, indigo, spices, yes, muslin cloth, etc. We were trading with European countries. But in 1453 AD, in 1453 AD, Turkish Muslim, which Muslim? Turkish stopped land road and sea road between India and India and Europe. India
Europeans.
and Europe.
Europeans.
So, as our trading was stopped, so economic level also became down. So, and Europeans were also want some of the things that the spices and that all. So, what happened? We started finding new sea route to means the people started finding new sea route to India. Okay. So first was
Okay.
King Prince Henry. Who was the first one? Prince Henry. Yes.
Gimana?
Prince Henry has started finding a new sea route, but he was failed. Then second came Bartholomew Dias. He has given Cape of Good Hope. Can you only speak?
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
speak. Then Christopher Columbus came and he had find the new to America, not India. And he was thinking that he had find the new route to India. Then America went to see him and he tell the people that it was not he has not reached to India, but he has reached to an island that is America. America. So
America.
America Vespucci has given a name America. After that, the Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama has started finding. He was an Portuguese sailor. So he has started from which side? From Cape of Good Hope to Calicut. Yes. So in 1498 AD, on 22nd May, he reached to Calicut and new sea route was found out by Vasco da Gama. After that, with the
Vasco.
permission of King Zamorian, after the permission of whom? King Zamorian. Who has taken the permission? Vasco da Gama. Portuguese people came to India for trading. So in 1500 AD, in Calicut, Portuguese people has opened a first trade center. Okay. Then after Dutch people
Okay.
and Denmark people came. Then after arrival of Britishers came in 1600 AD.
I know.
But what happened in 1600 AD? They have taken the permission from Queen Elizabeth. With whose permission British came to India? Queen Elizabeth. But Portuguese people, Portuguese people has not means they were not allowing them to open the trade center in India. So with the permission of Jahangir, with the permission of Mughal Emperor Jahangir, they have opened. King of all India? No, not of all India. So with the permission of Jahangir,
Hey,
they have started trade center in Surat. Where they have started? In which
uh,
AD? In which
16.
AD? Then they have finally opened trade center in. They have finally
1630
opened
AD.
trade center in Ahmedabad. Second is Bharuch and Surat. Clear this much? After
Yes.
that, what happens? Some they have went to Bengal, but Sirajudwala has not given them permission. As they have not given the permission, what happens? They have, without the permission, they have made fortress, that is wall. Yes, but so Sirajudwala with the has defeated means has destroyed that wall. Okay, so
Hmm.
this news reached to whom? Robert Clive
Robert
in
Clive.
Chennai. A small army, Robert Clive. So at that time, the commander Sirajudwala, commander in chief was Mir Jafar. Who was the commander in chief? Mir Jafar. Okay. After that, after the battle of Buxar, Mir Jafar. as
Boxer.
Sirajudwala was defeated when Battle of Plassey
Boxer.
occurred. At that time, Sirajudwala was defeated. After that, Mirzapur was Nawab. Then after, Mir Qasim became Nawab of Bengal. Okay, this thing will come in Battle of Buxar. So what happens? So after that, what happened? After that, this news reached to
Nirja Popat.
Robert Clive. So as this news reached to Robert Clive, what happened? Robert Clive came with the small army, and Mir Jafar was told that after Sirajudwala will be defeated, you will be the Nawab of Bengal. Yes. So Battle
Nawab
of
of
Plassey was
Bengal.
occurred in 1757 AD. Which year it was? In small battlefield, that is Plassey near Murshidabad, which is 38 kilometers away from
Idiot.
in West Bengal. In West Bengal. Got it this much? At as
Yes.
Battle of Field, it was
Yes,
for
ma'am.
half a day. At that time, Sirajudwala was defeated, and Britishers became powerful. Okay, and
Okay.
at that time, now sorry, Mirzapur became Mirzapur became Nawab of Bengal. Okay, got it? Clear? Battle of Plassey, Zainale.
Yes,
Clear,
ma'am.
beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Not clear?
Yes,
Not
ma'am.
clear?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Again, I am repeating that we were trading with Europeans. Yes, as we were trading with Europeans, Turkish Muslim in 1453 AD has stopped land route and sea route. Clear this much? As this land route and sea route was stopped, so now we started discovering a new sea route. So first came Prince Henry. He was not successful. Then came Bartholomew Dias. Dias, it's the name. He has given a cap of good hope. Then came Christopher Columbus. Then who came? Christopher
Christopher
Columbus.
Columbus.
Christopher Columbus thought that he has reached to India, but he has reached to a small island that is America, and its name was cleared by Amerigo Vespucci. Okay. Then after finally came Vasco da Gama, who was a Portugal sailor.
Idiot.
He has started his journey from Cape of Good Hope from Encircle and reached to Calicut in 1498 AD
Idiot.
on 22nd May. And finally, we got a new sea route and trading was started between India and Europe. Clear? So, very first question
Clear,
of
clear.
your notes that who has discovered a new sea route to India and how? And
Vasco
how? So, you
Gama.
have to write this whole story. Prince Henry, Bartholomew Dias, then Christopher
Ja.
Columbus, Americo Vespucci, and last is Vasco da Gama. Everything you have to note down. Got it? Clear? Rehan, clear? Ghazi?
બસ મને નહીં પૂછો. હવે વારી પડી બધાની. હેલો અબ્દુલ્લા. બધાની વારી પડી લાગે છે.
No, no, me ven explícate el cruce. No me cambie.
ખબર નહીં વારી પડવા ક્યાં લાગીશ બધાને. ક્યારે સ્કૂલ આવીશ તું?
Dale.
ઓકે.
મેમ નથી કર્યું.
આખો લેસન સમજાય બોલ.
મેં 3 ફેરી વાંચેલું સફળ છે.
હું
કઈ નહીં.
હેલો શેખર્ષ. હેલો શેખર્ષ. હર્ષ.
એ વાતું ન કર મનથી જો.
હાઉ આર યુ?
મમ્મી સ્ક્રીન લેગ બહુ થાય છે.
મોય કે દેખાત નથી સ્ક્રીન યાર મને તો.
મારા તો એસ આવી જઈશ ને બંધ થાય ચાલુ થાય બંધ થાય ચાલુ થાય.
મારે એમ જ છે, એમ જ લાગે છે. પાછું થયું
પછી ઓલા ધુવાણા આવે છે કંઈકથી.
એમ જ લાગે છે. Miss, your mic is mute.
બહુ લેગ થાય છે. મમ્મી સ્ક્રીન બહુ લેગ થાય છે. હેલો મેમ.
હેલો હેલો મેમ. હેલો અવાજ આવે છે મેમ?
મેમ યોર
mic is mute. Ma'am, please wear an hands-free. That's why you know about.
આ બધું રેકોર્ડિંગ થાય છે.
I know.
મેમ
Ma'am,
યોર
your
સ્ક્રીન
mic
ઇઝ
is on mute.
મેમ યોર સ્ક્રીન ઇઝ
Ma'am, your screen is not coming properly.
બસ એટલે ચેટ કરીને મોકલ.
હા મોકલો.
Now second, how British people, how Portuguese people, Dutch, Denmark and French people came to
કાન
India.
ફાટી ગયા
Next
મારા તો.
question. What?
What?
So now, as Vasco da Gama reached Calicut in 1498 AD, AD, and with the permission of whom? King Zamorian. With the permission of King Zamorian. For what he has asked for the permission? He has asked for trading in India. So, who took permission? Vasco da Gama. With King Zamorian. So in 1500 AD, who came? Portuguese people came to India. Who came? Portuguese came to India for trading, and they have started first trading center in Calicut. Calicut, where he have started in Calicut.
Calicut.
So yes.
No.
You have read textbook, or you have
No.
taken for first day only? Today only. In that it is there. Okay? In Calicut. In which AD? In 1500 AD. Okay? Now, as this Dutch, hey, I will show you. So, as Dutch people and Denmark people has seen that Portuguese people are getting too much of money and that all things. So, in between, in 1500 AD, between 1500 to 1600, who came now second? Dutch and Denmark. Who came? Dutch people were known as Holland and Denmark people were known as Netherlands. Okay? Now very short period of time these people have left India. First came Portuguese, second came Dutch and Denmark, now third came Britishers who have ruled for 200 years in India. Now third came Britishers with the permission of Queen Elizabeth. Who came? Britishers came. With the permission of Queen Elizabeth, Britishers came to India. But Portuguese people were not allowing them to trade in
Ma'am,
India.
your screen is not
So
coming
they
visible.
went to Mirzapur.
Miss, your screen is not coming properly.
Mirzapur. With the permission of Mirzapur, in 1613 AD, they have opened trade center in Surat in Kothi village. Surat in Kothi. Okay? In which AD? 1613 AD. After that they opened trade center in Ahmedabad, Bharuch and Surat. Clear
And
this
Surat.
much? First came
Yes, ma'am.
Portuguese, second Dutch and Denmark, third came Britishers. Now after that, fourth came Britishers. Who came? French. Now fourth came French people. Okay. Now they have started combined trading with Dutch people and British people. Combined trading with British and Dutch. They have started. So at that time, 3 wars, Maratha wars happened. Marathas and Mysore both are same. Wars happened. Okay, 3 wars. So at that time, Britishers were more powerful. Who were more powerful? Britishers, and French lost their power. Okay, in that wars. So French, when they have came in 1664 AD. Which AD they have came? 1664 AD. Okay. After that, now France has lost their power. At that time, Portuguese people left India and went away. Okay? Which 3 places? Diu, Daman and Goa. But they have left other places. That is Cochin and that's all they have left it. Okay? Okay, in 1668 they have opened that trade center. See. Now next. Yes. Okay, clear this much better? Now this way, arrival of these people in India and then after Britishers started ruling in India. Clear this much? All the boys clear? Zain Ali? Jivani, what's your name? Full name? Clear beta? Stand up. Explain me whole. Speak loudly. Dutch and Denmark. When Portuguese people came to India, after saying that they were trading economically very nice, so Dutch and Denmark people came to India. And then after British people came with the permission of Queen Elizabeth in 1600, don't laugh, you are making fun, I am knowing everything. Okay? And as Portuguese people were not allowing them, so Mirzapur came With the permission of Mir Jafar, they have opened trade center in 1613 AD in Surat in Koti, and then after French came. Stand up now, explain. After that.
What is the meaning of AD?
I have explained you in next standard. I have explained. Everything I have explained. Fast. Speak loudly, beta. And mind. Sit properly. Start. Yes. With the permission of whom? With the permission of King Zamorian. Where they opened the trade center in which AD? Ghaziabad, stand up. Stand up. Yes. Explain.
और स्मैक बंद कर और स्मैक बंद करना
Next is Battle of Plassey. So as now British people came to India, they have went to Bengal for trading. Okay? They went to Bengal for trading. Okay, at that time Surajudwala was the Nawab of Bengal. Who was the Nawab of Bengal? Yes. As he was the Nawab of Bengal, he has given the permission for trading. But without the permission, they have made fortress. Without the permission, they have made fortress. Walls. So in this you will be remembering Sirajudwala was the Nawab of Bengal. Without the permission they have made fortress. So this news reached to Sirajudwala Okay, so he has destroyed that wall. So after that, this news reached to Robert Clive in Chennai. So at that time, Sirajuddaulah, commander in chief, was Commander Mir Jafar. So Robert Clive told that as Sirajuddaulah will be defeated, you will be the Nawab of Bengal. So in 1757 AD, Battle of Plassey was occurred in small battlefield that is Plassey. Its name is Plassey, 38 kilometers away from Murshidabad in West Bengal. Clear? It was just for half a day. It was just for a half a day, and Sirajuddaulah was defeated. Clear? So if you will be writing the short points, no, then also your answer will be clear. Clear now? Yes, Mohammed. He was Nawab. It's there in your textbook. Clear? Battle of Plassey. Now who became Nawab of Bengal? Mir Jafar. Now second will be
Jafar.
Battle of Buxar. Next will be, yes, it was just for half a day and Sirajuddaulah was defeated and British become superpower. Yes, Rehan Sayyad. Any doubt, beta? Next is Battle of Buxar. It was also in 64 AD. Now, after Britishers has won Battle of Plassey, so as they have promised Mir Jafar that you will be the Nawab of Bengal, Mir Jafar became Nawab of Bengal. Next, now for owning and controlling India, they have started collecting Diwani rights and that all things happened. So as Mir Jafar was removed from the Nawab. Now second came Mir Qasim. Who came? Son of Mir Jafar. Now, after winning, BOP means Battle of Plassey. Understand it, okay? I have written Battle of Plassey. For just now only I am writing. Mir Jafar was Nawab. That after he can't control Bengal, so who became? Mir Qasim became Nawab of Bengal as he was more ambitious. Yes, as he was more ambitious, he was against Britishers. Yes, so with Mir Qasim, Nawab of Awadh, and who was Shalab, these all people were against Britishers. So they have started collecting Diwani rights and that all things. So for that, Battle of Buxar was occurred. Which battle was occurred? Battle of Buxar. In 1764, when? 1764, and it was also in the Buxar village. Okay? At that time also, we lost. We mean Mir Qasim lost his fight and Britishers became powerful. And they have started collecting Diwani rights. What is Diwani rights? Means collect the revenue. Revenue or tax. Means they have to pay people, those who were trading. They have to pay to Britishers also, and they also have to pay to and they also have to pay to Nawab. Clear? So this way our people were losing.
Hello, ma'am, your mic is mute. Hello. Hello, ma'am, your mic is mute. Hello.
So clear Battle of Buxar? Okay. So today we will keep till here. I'm doing everything.
Ma'am, your screen
So you
is
have noted these points in your book. This way you can learn the long question answers and don't ask it of how we will learn long question answers. PDF I have sent. PDF I have sent. Now next is chalo. No need of discussing other things. We will move further because I want to discuss something with you and you have started shouting. Now next is expansion of the company rule. Now which expansion? Company rule, that is Britishers have started their companies now. Okay, at that time first was Governor General was Warren Hastings. Who was the Governor General? Second was Cornwallis. Third, Sir John Shaw. Fourth came Wellesley. Fifth came Warren Hastings. Sixth, William Bentinck. And seventh came Dalhousie, that we will discuss tomorrow. Tomorrow. Bus. Which lecture you are having last? You are having.
Hello.
ma'am.